Entertainment Remix.
Gusto niyo pa ba?
1, 2, 3, let's go!
DJ Melvin Remix.
How you doing, party people? Yeah. Well, this is Andrew E. once again, and I'm gonna do a song that you've never heard before.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Ako'y nasa Malate, alas 7 ng gabi. Nakilala ko tuloy itong magandang babae na nakatubig-hari sa aking mga mata. Ang di ko lang alam ay manloloko lang pala. Bumanag sa kita ng nagtuturo na siya. Hindi pa kamion upang di mahalata. Siya ay nagpayabang, nagmeme na siya tuwan. Siya sa alabang, ako ay bumabay, mahigpit na mahigpit. Naglalaway sa pader niya, hapit na nang ako'y magkalika. Di ko siya matagpuan, upos ang aking manig, di ko pa nahalikan. One night, just come, yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas, lumalabas sa
Massive Banger Mix by Tatak Ribbon.
alright, second verse. Sa kape Adriatico ako ay inaya. Inom daw kami at siya ang kaya. Kaya kaming dalaway uminom ng beer. Inangad na ang magatang, sabi niya sa'kin, ang di ko alam ay meron siyang inilagay. Ako'y biglang nahilo, nawalag ng aking malay nang ako'y magising. Aking napansin, pangalan ng motel, Anito, kaya ang sabi ko na po, i-split na ako. Pag naku ko ng girlfriend ko, mahirap to. Wala sa isip ko ang kanyang maiwa. Nang nakita ko siya, naka-underwear lang. Maganda, just come, yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas, lumalabas, Banyo queen, yeah. Oh darling, stay by me. Oh, stay by me. O madalas, lumalabas, Banyo queen. Alright, get ready for the third verse. Pag kami ay nagtatawanan at nagkukwentuhan, at doon sa sofa kami ay naglalangkungan. Ang ginaw, para kung nasa ropongi. Pinatay niya ang ilaw, then binuksan ang
This is Massive
VCD.
Banger Mix by Tatak Ribbon.
Sa kanyang kama, kami ay nahiga. Ako ay nagulat at ako'y nabigla. Ako'y nanginginig, pawis na pawis. Tinutok ko, pinasok ko, and boy, walang gabi. At ang sabi niya sa'kin, tumakit, tumihaya, lumuhod at tumapa. Na matapos na kami, ang sabi niya, the night has come. Yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas, lumalabas, Banyo queen. Sige to the top. Oh darling, stay by me. Oh, stay by me. O madalas, lumalabas,
Remix.
Ang pinatay ng ilaw o madalas lumalabas ang queen. Take it to the top.
This is massive banger mix by Tatak Remix.
One, two, three, let's go!
It's time for Always Going Wild. This is massive banger mix by Tatak Remix.
One, two, three, let's go!
Here's my world, city life.
DJ Melvin. Remix.
Some stories told. You take myself, you take my self-control. Another day goes by. I never stop myself to wonder why. You help me to forget to play my role.
Stay tuned to the best music collection. Only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
I live among the creatures of the night. I haven't got the will to try and fight against a new tomorrow, so I guess I'll just believe it. Tomorrow never comes. Same night. I'm living in the forest of a dream. I know the night is not as it would seem. I must believe in something, so I'll make myself believe it. This night will never go.
Three, let's go!
Oh, the night is my world. City lights, painted gold. In the day, nothing matters. It's the night, time to matters. I live among the creatures of the night. I haven't got the will to try and fight against a new tomorrow, so I guess I'll just believe it. Tomorrow never comes. Same night. I'm living in the forest of a dream. I know the night is not as it would seem. I must believe in something, so I'll make
This
myself
is massive
believe it.
banger
This
mix
night will
by
never go.
Tatak Remix.
One, two, three, let's go!
Tonight, give me the all and go. Not far away, but now I'm free. It's alright, you won't be small. Take a chance, leave everything behind. You come and join, you won't be sorry. It's easy to survive. Jungle life, we're living in the open.
DJ Melvin.
Like times of
Remix.
sport. Hide and seek, we play our own to rush. It was the forest, monkey business on a sandy afternoon. Night to night, give me it all, it's his tonight. Oh.
DJ Tatak Remix. Sumayaw, humataw. Take it away, the one and only DJ Tatak Remix. Ito na ang Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
I have to climb, Lord, for my sake. Teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. Lord, help me today, show me the way. One day.
Sa iyong mga mata, dahil di sabihin mo, aking nadarama ang paglayo niyan. Huwag mong ipagdamdam, mabuti nga dalawa siya'y sanawan. Karamay mo ako kahapon at ngayon, asahan kong bukas ako'y naroroon ako hanggang ako'y buhay. Katulong mo at sa'yo ay
Stay tuned to the best music collection. Only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
tutulungan kita, malimot mo siya, ibabalik ang dati
Collection. Only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
Tutulungan kita, malimot mo siya. Ibabalik ang dati mong sigla. Aking gagamutin puso mo, sinugat ang sugat na dulot niyang salamat.
This is massive Takatayar Mix Bar. Top Remix. This is massive Takatayar Mix Bar. Top Remix.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
It's time for All This Going Wild Remix. This is massive Takatayar Mix Bar. Top Remix.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Tayo'y nagkakilala, bakit pa ganda mo ay
DJ Nonstop Remix.
bakit ka pa napamahal sa akin? Kung di rin lang kita makakapiling, sa'yo pa nagising ang damdamin. Sa'yo pa puso ko'y naliw. Sa'yo na hindi na malaya. Sa'yo pa nabawa.
Stay tuned to the best music collection. Only here at Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
sa ganda nitong mundo. Nakita mo ang lunas sa aking kalungkutan. Iba ka sa lahat, iba ka kung magmahal.
DJ Melvin, remix.
Everybody put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands in the sky. Let me see you work, work. I like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Hands up high.
Everybody dance! Isayaw na isayaw!
Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes. Shout out Adrian. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying
This is massive
time.
Tatak mix by Tatak Remix.
That doesn't make my heart grow fonder. And the tears are only rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no stronger if I live to be 100 years old.
Everybody put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands in the sky. Let me see you work, work. I like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on. Hands up, hands up, hands up high. Hands up
Everybody
high.
dance! Isayaw na isayaw!
Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes. Shout out Adrian. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying
This is massive
time.
Tatak mix by Tatak
Now they
Remix.
say that absence make fun grows fonder. And the tears are only rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no stronger if I live to be 100 years old.
Alam, panagsalang ka kanilang tahon!
Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time.
This is massive Tatak mix by Tatak Remix.
Everybody put your hands up high. Everybody put your hands in the sky. Let me see you work, work. I like to see you twerk, twerk. Let's go. Come on.
Josephine and Ivan Music Collection. Subscribe na!
One, two, three, let's go!
DJ Melvin Remix.
Be happy when everything turns to gray. Thank you so much. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out to the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet
DJ Melvin Remix.
This is massive banger mix bar. Toto Remix.
When I left our little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down. But her words kept haunting my memory. The words that Joni sent to me.
Ito na ang Josephine and Ivan Music Collection.
Please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Sound with love forever true.
I packed my clothes and I caught a plane. Had to see Joni, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory. And asked my Joni if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door, but things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like rain that day when I heard what Joni had to say.
Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jimmy, I buried your best friend, John.
This is massive banger mix bar. Toto Remix. Kahit saan ka man sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy Remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.
When there's a dark storm on your horizon, and you think you can't get through it, just put your hand in mine, and I'll show you how to do it. When the future looks uncertain, you can count on me to be there. And when your heart's so hurt, just look at your
DJ Melvin Remix.